Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gear and gadgets. Today, we're tackling a must-have for winter adventurers, the AMBIO lightweight snowshoes. If you're someone who loves tackling steep terrain in the snow, these might just be your new best friend.
These snowshoes aren't just your average winter gear.
They're specially designed to conquer steep terrain with ease, making them the best snowshoes for navigating challenging landscapes.
Let's dive into what makes these snowshoes stand out from the rest. First off, they're incredibly lightweight, thanks to their aluminum frame.
This means you can trek through the snow without feeling weighed down, allowing for more agility and less fatigue. But what really sets these snowshoes apart is their ergonomic design and adjustable features. The double ratcheting bindings ensure a secure fit, while the one-buckle tightening mechanism and TPE heel strap provide excellent support, even on the steepest of slopes.
And let's not forget about the adjustable trekking poles that come included.
With a simple twist, you can easily change the height from 25.5 to 66 inches, ensuring optimal comfort and stability during your winter adventures. And the best part? Everything you need comes neatly packed in this convenient carrying tote bag, making transportation a breeze. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the performance and quality of these snowshoes.
From the ease of use to the durability, it's clear that AMBIO has hit the mark with this product. So whether you're a seasoned snowshoer or just starting out, the AMBIO lightweight snowshoes are a game-changer for tackling steep terrain in the snow. Don't let winter weather hold you back. Gear up and conquer the mountains with confidence.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy adventuring!